Jack E4S Light and Heavy Adjustable Power-Saving Overlock Machine. Perfect inheritance of the excellent genes of last generation. Equipped with Jack's patented technology, it realizes the quick adjustment between light, medium, and heavy grade to suit for different materials. The sewing performance greatly improved. Ensure customers buy it more assured and use it more convenient. Light, medium, and heavy grade switch freely, suitable for wider ranges of materials. E4S is equipped with Jack's patented technology, realizing the function of quick adjustment to suit for light, medium, or heavy materials. Operator can easily switch from A grade, M grade, or H grade to meet the needs of different orders such as mesh, knitting, denim, or other materials. At the same time, through the improvement of key spare parts, the sewing thickness performance is improved greatly. Sewing multi-layer denim, khaki, and other fabrics can be easily done. With E4S, sewing more smoothly and stitches more beautiful. Super quick response for start break. Compared with E4, E4S has excellent performance on quick response for start and break. From 0 to 5,500 revolutions per minute. Only need 150 milliseconds. Break response time can control within 350 milliseconds. The sewing efficiency is greatly improved. E4S not only improved start-break response time, but also further reduced noise and ensure sewing more lightly. Perfect inheritance of the last generation's excellent genes. Integrated design, power saving, and high efficiency. Easy installation. Just plug in. No need other operation. And it is high efficiency and 70% power saving. One main shaft design. Stable and fast. E4S adopts one main shaft design, which reduces the torque of the machine, which makes machine sewing speed faster, more stable and durable. Avoid oil leakage. Clean sewing. E4S needle bar adopts all-inclusive oil suction device. And the feed bar is equipped with special oil seal, which efficiently prevents oil leakage and realize the clean sewing. Smart operation panel. One key back to factory set. LED light and speed are easy to adjust. Operators can learn and use easily. Upgrade interface design. Can quickly upgrade the control box and update new technologies in time. Jack E4S Light and Heavy Easily Adjustable Power-Saving Overlock Machine. Thickness adjustable. Sewing performance improved comprehensively. Brings you better sewing experience.